channel, friends. The topic for today's learning is Google Forms. Google Forms is a very versatile app or tool that allows us to collect information from various users. This information can be of any type, for example, personal information or worksheets or tests, attendance, surveys, party invites, event registrations, etc. The focus in today's video is learning how to make attendance forms. These days we see everything has gone digital or online. Classes are happening online. So due to this, teachers are finding it very much difficult to record attendance of every class that they are taking. And Google Forms comes into the picture as a panacea. So let's see how we can record attendance using Google Forms. So first, go to Google. Type Google Forms. The first link which appears, go to that link, open it. There would you see two boxes. One is personal box and the other is business, for business purposes. So go to the personal box, go to Google Forms. Here, now you will see there are a lot of Google Forms here which are like templates. So we can select from any template, whichever suits our requirement the most. So here we don't see any kind of template which is resembling the attendance form, so we will create it with the blank one. Let's start it. So here I have this new form opened up. It is saying the form is untitled. Okay, so first of all we need to give it the title, that is attendance. Okay, form description, for example, I say the attendance form is for class 5C. Okay, so this is for 5C for my remembrance. Then let's start with the question. The first question here should be the name. Of course, if you want a child to record his attendance, his or her, you will want his or her name first, and that should be required option. Here at this bottom left, you will see the required button. This required button, when I switch it on, now this is on, so it will make the question necessary. That means you cannot skip this question. Okay, and the answer, here we can see there are many options of answering the question. The first is short answer. The name is of course in the form of short answer. Then we have paragraph, multiple choices, check boxes, drop down, file upload, etc. So we will choose here short answer. Okay, next we have other for next question we will go here in this side menu and add question. Now the next question I want is the roll number of a student. Okay, this roll number can also be in the short answer. We need not it to be a paragraph or multiple choices, anything else. So short answer is good. It is also asking me, is this a number or only text? So I'm putting it as number. It is not mandatory here. Of course, if you will not touch it, it will only give you the in the short answer, it will also give you the number. I will make this field also required because name and roll number are mandatory for recording any attendance. Then next we go to the third question. Now the third question is attendance. The attendance. Okay, so the attendance here I can put it as multiple choice, or I will put it as multiple choice, nothing else. The option one I will put it as present. Okay, so the kid, when he or she will enter in this form, he will see this and mark this present here with this radio button. I will also make this field as required. Okay, so I am done. Design your attendance forms as per your requirements. For example, if you want to put other field here as subject, you can simply add here with the help of this button and the name of the subject. Now let's see the customization here. So here we can add the themes or options we have with theme colors and images. For example, I want to put the image. So as we are working for the attendance which is related to the work and school, so I will put the picture here as, see, I will put this picture as my background. So see here, this picture has come, and I can also change the theme color. For example, this, anyone I want to change, I can change the theme color. Now let's see how does our form looks like. So we will go to this preview button and see here. It is mentioning here that the fields which are marked with asterisk are required. So name is required, roll number is required, and the attendance here, it is also required. This form I will forward it to all my students, and let's see, I want to submit a response here. So my name is Rashi Verma. Roll number, suppose my roll number is 37. Sorry, 37, and attendance I'm marking it as present. Okay, now I will submit this form. I have submitted this form. It is asking me for submitting another response. So here I will come back and we will see that responses here, the responses has been recorded. See, the response here I have given is name is Rashi Verma, roll number 37, and attendance is present. So as many students will give you the responses, they all will be recorded here and you can see them. Also, after a certain time, I don't want to accept the responses. For example, my class was over at 12 p.m. Okay, so I want to accept these responses till 12:15. After that, I will not entertain any response, so I can just simply toggle this button to not responding, not accepting any responses. Okay, also there is this spreadsheet option. So whatever the responses I am getting will be recorded into a spreadsheet. Okay, so if I want to select any existing, if I have already any existing spreadsheet, I can see that or merge in that. Otherwise, I can create the new. So let's create the new spreadsheet. Here the name is, I will change the name here. See, so that I don't get confused, I have created this new spreadsheet named as attendance. Okay, now create this. So see, it has already opened. It will open in another tab. So here we have this attendance. I have only one response yet, so I will do this. Next, let's see other options. So here are the other options. For example, I can download these responses, I can print them, I can delete them. Next we have, for example, some students are very mischievous and they keep on buzzing us with many responses. So what I can do is, I can limit to one response. One student can only send me one response. No multiple responses can be entertained. We will save it and let's see what we have. Next we have these three dots here and we can see that we can make a copy here, undo, move to trash, print, get pre-filled link, everything here. The last thing is, if I want to send this now, my Google form is ready here and I want to send it to my students. So how will I send? Send. Here I will get multiple options. Send via email. So I will have to just give the email addresses here, or I can share it via Facebook, Twitter. This is the link. So the link to this Google form will be created. I can shorten this link here like this. See, the link has been shortened now, and I can copy this. Okay, now copy from here and you can simply paste this in your Google Classroom or whatever group like WhatsApp. You have to simply paste it. Students will access this link and they will record their responses here. Now this is the attendance spreadsheet which we have got. Okay. Next we have, for example, see, I want to again like Raman. I want to again respond to this. So Raman is the name of the student. Roll number is 23. Attendance present. Okay. Submit. Now as we have disabled that button, no more responses, limit to one response. So now it is not giving me any option to record another response. It is done now. Okay. Also, if I have closed all these tabs, okay, so I want to see the spreadsheet now. How would I see that? For seeing that, I just need to log in into my Google account. Here I will see this is a grid of options which is known as Google Apps. I will go there. There is lots of Google apps which have been offered by Google here. So here I will see the sheets. Okay, click on the sheets and it will open up. Okay, so it will show me, see, I have these spreadsheets already here. For example, we were making this attendance, right? See, 2 responses we recorded here, Rashi, Verma, Raman, roll numbers, and they were present. Okay, so in this way we can see the spreadsheets where we have got all the recorded responses. Also we can share this spreadsheet with, if we want to share this attendance with the class teacher. Of course, if I am taking this, I could be any subject teacher. So for that I can just simply add my people here, or if not, I can get a link, get a link, copy this link and simply paste it to the email or WhatsApp, wherever you want to do, and you are done. That person will be able to view this. So this was all about Google Forms. Trust me friends, this is a very efficient way of recording the attendance, and you don't need any physical registers etc. for recording the attendance, and it also saves a lot of time. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Thank you for watching. For any queries and suggestions, type in the comment section below. Happy learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.